Hello guys, welcome to Spark Tech Academy. Today we will be going through some basics of inductor and capacitor. Actually, in previous lectures we have gone through magnetic field as well as electric field you can say as electrostatic field, where we deal with capacitors, and in magnetic field we deal with inductors. Now, what are the applications of supply and accordingly the result of inductor and capacitor? Now, first of all, I will go through the basics. For DC supply, what will be there is there will be constant voltage. There will be constant voltage, or you can say here at t is equal to 0 to t is equal to infinity, the voltage will be constant, not natural zero as per AC sine wave. Now, if you go through it, in DC, frequency will be 0. Now, by using this basic of DC supply, the frequency concept, we will be going to derive the equation for AC and DC. First we are going through AC, means first we are trying to explain the DC supply in terms of inductor and capacitor. Now, you know XL is equal to 2 pi F into L, and XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. Now, in this case, 2 pi F is nothing but omega. Now, in DC, value of F will be 0. That's why XL is equal to 2 pi into 0 into L. It is nothing but 0 ohm resistance, or you can say 0 ohm reactance, means 0 opposition to current. Hence, for DC supply, inductor will act as short circuit, or you can say act as short circuit, or passes or allows DC supply act as closed switch. As the same case here, for DC, F is equal to 0. Just substituting this equation, we will get as 1 upon 2 pi into 0 into c, it will be nothing but 1 upon 0, it will be infinity, and this is nothing but xc. Reactance is maximum. Maximum opposition to flow of current. Hence, capacitor will act as open circuit it blocks DC as per rule or formula we explained. Now it will act as open switch. Open switch. For DC supply. Hence proved. Please note down it. It is very important concept. Just now we have explained for DC supply. Now accordingly we will go for AC also. Please note down this very carefully, because it is very important concept. No one will be going to explain you in this base, because this is the only video you can see on YouTube which will be showing you the very extreme case of derivations in a simpler form, which will be helpful to you to remember this concept, not mug up the concept. So keep watching Spark Tech Academy. Now we will be going through DC supply, means AC supply now. For AC supply, you know, this is the waveform. Usually you see the sine wave. This is nothing but the voltage. This is omega t, you can say. V is nothing but Vm sine omega t. Now in this case, as AC supply is there, frequency is present. Frequency is present. Frequency is nothing but 1 upon time period cycle, you can say. Now you know the formula of XL. XL is nothing but 2 pi F and L, and XC is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi FC. Now in this case, as the frequency component is present in AC, now what will be the resistance acting as? If, for example, if the frequency as frequency is not equal to 0, the XL will be maximum opposition to flow of current, and it will act as open switch. The inductor will act as open switch for AC. It blocks AC. As frequency is non-zero component here, the XL will be maximum, hence maximum opposition to flow of current. It will act as open switch, and sometimes its value may be equal to infinity, you can say. Now when we substitute same value of F frequency, you will get Xc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. Frequency will be maximum in this case. That's why when frequency is more, Xc will drop, and Xc will act as closed switch, as opposition to flow of current is minimum, as per derivation. Hence it will act as closed switch. Capacitor C will act as closed switch for AC. It passes AC or allows AC. Just now we have proved for AC supply the frequency is present, it is a non-zero component in this case. That's why as XL is directly proportional to frequency, the opposition will be more to the flow of current. Hence in ohms it may be similar to that infinity, and that's why it will act as an open switch because of high resistance. And the same way as per the capacitance reactance formula, in this case, as these both are inversely proportional, frequency and Xc to each other in this formula, you will see that when frequency increases, the Xc decreases. Accordingly, it will act as closed switch because the opposition is reduced, means opposition to flow of current is minimum as per derivation. That's why it allows AC to flow through it. This is very important concept. Please note down it and carefully relate it with the frequency. When AC comes into picture and DC, the frequency will be 0 in DC. So please note down it. It is very important concept as per the capacitor and inductor response for AC and DC supply. Thank you for watching Spark Academy. Please do like and subscribe the channel. Accordingly, I will be uploading such easy derivations, means difficult concepts we are getting converted into a simple derivation forms. So please do like the channel and subscribe also. Thank you for watching Spark Tech Academy.